Okay, now we'll go for the next level in our find the missing type. You're wondering what is more? I told easy, medium, higher, right? I told there's one more type. We call them as the teasers or taunters. What do you mean by the term taunt? Taunt is something like which irritates you, like it's something like why they give this kind of questions in your algebra. So just to make your mind sharper, just to check your logic, just to make your intelligence higher, they will frame these kind of questions. Okay, now find the missing numbers. I use the word taunter, right? The taunters. So what's the taunter? Now you'll understand. See, now look at this. Some minus number, like added to 4 will give you 8. So what's the answer? Okay, so this, like 4 goes to the other side, it becomes minus 4, right? 8 minus 4, how much you get? Okay, you get 4, right? Now if I put minus 4 plus 4, it will be equal to 0. All right, so how do you write this answer now? That's why I actually called it taunter. Okay, so how do you write plus 4 like in terms of minus? It's written like this. It's written as minus of minus 4. Yeah, that's why I actually called it taunter. How do you write plus 4 like minus terms? It's written like minus of minus, because if you know in algebra there's a rule, minus into minus is equal to plus. Okay, so minus of minus, of means into again. So minus of minus 4. So here the answer is minus of minus 4, which means plus 4. So how do you write plus 4 like minus terms? So 4 is equal to minus of minus 4, or you can say plus 4. Yes. So here's the answer. So plus 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So that's why it's called a taunter, right? Okay, one more question. Some minus number added to 6 will give you 11. Some minus number, see, some minus number, add 6, you get 11, right? So you transpose it, right? It goes to the other side, it becomes minus 6. So 11 minus 6 is 5. So if you put minus 5 here, it will become 1, right? So how do you write this? So here the answer is 5, right? How do you write 5 like minus terms? Still it should be plus. So it's written like, okay, 5 is equal to minus of minus 5. So already you have a minus symbol here, right? So we write like this, minus of minus 5. So it will become plus 5, right? So 5 plus 6 equals 11. So here the answer is minus of minus 5. These are called the taunters, all right? Now one more example, something like this. Minus some number added to 8, you're getting 12. So we transpose, right? So it goes to the other side, it becomes minus 8, right? So 12 minus 8 is 4, right? But if I do minus 4 plus 8, that won't equal to 12. So write 4 like minus terms. So we write minus 4 like, plus 4 like minus of minus 4. So it will be equal to plus 4, right? So 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Clear? Okay, one more example. Just look at this, okay? Some minus number added to 5 equals 19. So what we do? We transpose the plus 5, it goes to the other side, and it becomes minus 5. So you get 14, right? You get plus 14 actually, okay? But here it is some minus number, right? So how do you convert plus 14 like a negative term, okay? So it should be positive, it should become positive, okay? We write like minus of minus 14. So it becomes plus 14, right? Yes. So plus 14 plus 5 equals 19. Is it true? Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So that's why these are called taunters. We need to understand that. So again, I give some exercise for this particular taunters. So I want you to work out all these exercises. So understand how to write a positive number like in terms of negative numbers, okay? With a negative symbol, what I mean to say, right? So you know how to do that. I just showed you. So you just finish off the exercises and get back. We'll go for a new exercise. Now, what they do is, in algebra, in the place of dash, they give a letter. They say X, they say Y, they say Z, they say A, they say B, they say C. All right. So now, this is what is algebra about. Now, the same question in algebraic form, it's given like this. Dash plus 6, they say A plus 6. Instead of saying dash plus 4, they say b plus 4. Instead of saying dash plus 9, they say x plus 9. As simple as that. So they may use any letter of the alphabet, like, they may use A, B, C, X, Y, Z, or P, Q, R, or any letter they want, they can use it. Okay. So this letters basically represent some unknown number like a dash. We need to understand that. Okay. In the next exercise, I'll be showing you something higher.